Hello everyone, today's topic is applications of integral calculus, and in this we are going to see some sketches of some standard curves. That is, before finding out the area we have to draw the bounded region. We are going to find out how to draw those bounded region in the graph. We have different types of curves. We'll check it out here. The first one is straight line. Here we have taken straight line. For this straight line, we have equations x is equal to a and x is equal to minus a. When you plot in the graph, you have to draw vertical lines like this. You have to plot a on x-axis, minus a also on the x-axis, and you will be getting lines parallel to y-axis. The next one is also from straight lines. And now the equation of the curve will be y is equal to b and y is equal to minus b. In the previous one we saw x is equal to a. Here it is y is equal to b. Now what is your guess? Yes, the lines are parallel to x-axis. The lines are parallel to x-axis when you plot and draw. If you plot it, you will get horizontal lines like this. And we'll get some more straight lines from other equations also. Now, what are the other equations we have? It is y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. For this, the lines passes through the origin. Y is equal to x means it passes through the first and third quadrant. Y is equal to minus x passes through second and fourth quadrant like this. Next, again we have straight lines. We'll get straight lines for some equations. What is that? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. For this equation also, when we try to solve this equation, we will get a straight line. So x plus y is equal to a when a is equal to b. When a and b are equal, we'll get the same denominator. Automatically, we'll get x plus y is equal to a. And the graph is, it passes through both the axes. The line intersects both x-axis and y-axis. And this is how you will get a graph. The next one is modulus function. Suppose if we get modulus function in the question, like y is equal to modulus of x. For this, we have two different conditions. What are they? X will be either greater than or equal to 0. Then we call that as x. Minus x when x is less than 0. Now for this, how the graph looks like? Yes, it starts from the origin and passes through the first quadrant when y is equal to x. It starts from the origin and passes through the second quadrant when y is equal to minus x. So the origin is the starting point for this modulus function. And if the value of x is positive, it goes through the first quadrant. The next shape is circle. Now, what is the equation of the circle? It is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Center will be always the origin, that is 0, 0. And we have to take the radius as a. So automatically we'll get a, 0, 0, a on y-axis. Again on the negative part, we'll get minus a, 0. And here 0, minus a. We'll get a circle. The next curve is parabola. Here the equation, we have taken the equation of the parabola as y square is equal to 4ax or y square is equal to minus 4ax. There are two types. One is positive and the other one is negative. Now, here we are starting with y square, isn't it? So, y-axis plays a predominant role. Now, we have parabola on either side of y-axis. If the equation is positive, y square is equal to 4ax, then parabola lies on right side of y-axis. If the equation is negative, y square is equal to minus 4ax, it is negative. Now the parabola lies on the left side of the y-axis. and the vertex is 0 comma 0. Here you can see, and the focus is a comma 0 or minus a comma 0. Latest rectum is 4a. Next, we have one more parabola type. What is that? When x square is equal to 4ay is given, or x square is equal to minus 4ay is given. Here it is x square, so the parabola lies on either side of x-axis, that is above the x-axis or below the x-axis. If the equation is positive, x square is equal to 4ay is given, parabola lies on above the x-axis. If it is negative, x square is equal to minus 4ay, it lies below the x-axis. The next shape is ellipse. The equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and the center will be the origin, that is 0 comma 0. Here we have taken the condition as a is greater than b. When a is greater than b, y-axis will be 0, y coordinate will be 0. So we will get this, y coordinate will be 0 here. So we will get a horizontal ellipse. Now, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and here the condition is a is lesser than b. We will get a vertical ellipse like this, a vertical one. The next one is sine function. For this, the equation is y is equal to sin x. If you happen to find y is equal to sin x in the question, then you have to draw this graph. It starts from the origin, it passes through the first quadrant and then through the fourth quadrant, above and below x-axis. So this is how you have to draw sine function in the graph. It starts from the origin. Next comes cosine function, and the equation is y is equal to cos x. For sine function, the graph starts from origin, but for cos function, the graph starts from y-axis. It starts from y-axis, it goes below x-axis, again comes above x-axis. So this is how you have to draw cosine function in the graph. Hope that you all are clear how to draw the bounded region. Thank you.